Well, good morning, everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? So, it is Tuesday morning, and it is 10:47 a.m. my time, which is Central. And I got up this morning and I pressed all of these little assemblies, the A's and B's, that I made yesterday after I finished trimming everything. So, and I'll tell you what. I am slow at the trimming. I mean, I guess with my readers or whatever, which I have to trim even that far away. It was just slow going for me. I started on the Friday with the incorrect thing, and I was really having a difficult time. So I think I only did two or three. And then Saturday, my husband got me my 2.5 inch square ruler, so I think I got up to 20 that day. We had some things going on. And then Sunday, I actually did 100 of them. I finished them up Monday, and then I started sewing the strip assemblies yesterday afternoon. And while I was sewing them, everything was great until um, I think it was this one right here. And for some reason, I sewed this block over here. So I did have to pick that out and resew that, which I did and got it pressed. Currently, I mean, here's the center. And I am going to go, I just kind of did a rough cut, verify that these are all exactly the size that they need to be. Some of them may be a little bit large on one side, and I need to do that, verify. And then I will be sewing, oh, it'll be this way. Let me show you. See if I can get this up a little further. And tilt you down. Let's see, move these. So I've got my block here. Let me get you centered. And what I will do will be on all of these, go ahead and sew the smaller one on. And then when I get finished and get that pressed, which will probably be tomorrow morning because we're supposed to be in the hundreds again today. I'm not turning on the iron again. But then after that, I will get, let's see if I can get it all in here. I will get this sewn together, and this is what my block is going to look like. So now you can sort of kind of question why I'm, well, wondering about these. I don't know. We're just going to see. It's old fabric. It was my stash fabric, and either I'll love it or not. How do you think it's going to turn out? But I'm having fun and I'm learning a lot. And yes, trimming all of those triangles took me forever. But I mean, while not perfect, I already see the benefit. And it may be a while before I attempt another quilt with as many triangles, especially this size. But yeah, it might be pretty. Let me know what you think. Till later. Bye.